There are many ways to do this effect, but I'll show you the easiest one. Let's go to Adobe After Effects. We put our video, we double click on it. We make sure to select Roto Brush. We select the whole object. If there is unwanted areas, press Alt to deselect them. Now after we finished, we go back to the original composition. We put the video again and we rename it. The object we selected, we name the layer object. And the video, the original one, we name it background. You can make sure that those are the correct one by seeing the underneath effects. On the effects panel, we search for emboss. We drag the emboss effect and put it on subject. Now we go back and search for Gaussian blur. We add it also to the subject. Finally, CC glass. And again, we apply it to the subject. Now, we hide the subject. Search for displacement map. And now we put this effect on the background. We change the layer to subject and the source to effects and marks. Now the vertical displacement color, we change it to blue. And we play with the max horizontal displacement, also the max vertical displacement. We keep rising the number until we get this glassy shape. Finally, we bring the background video one last time. Now, as you can see, we have the background video and we have the subject. Select the subject and the background and put them in one composition. Pre-compose, name it glitch, and press OK. Now we make sure that the effect is reduced in the timeline and the background is still the full-length video. If you play it, we got this amazing effect. Now, let's spice the things up. We put the sound. We drag the audio until the beginning of the effect. As you can see here. Now we have the first sound. And we need the ending sound. So, to do that, we duplicate the sound by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. Now we put the finishing sound effect. So I didn't get it from the first time. I dragged it and adjusted in the timeline, and now we got it. So now we got this amazing glitch effect with the sound. Yep guys, since you make it to the end of the video, please help me reach 1000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see ya.